How to delete UberEats account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to delete your UberEats account quickly and easily. So without further ado, let's get started. So first, I have included a link in the description box below, so you can simply click on it and you will be directed to the Uber help page. And once you are in the page, you can see the section titled I need help deleting my UberEats account. And once on the page, look for the delete my Uber account option and tap on it. And you will be asked to sign in with your Uber or Uber Eats account. Since Uber Eats is linked to Uber account, deleting it will remove both profiles. And after logging in, you will see a final confirmation message stating that both your Uber Rider and Uber Eats account will be permanently deleted. Simply scroll down and click on continue to finalize the process. And that's it. After that, your Uber Eats account will be successfully deleted. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.